everyone, Lisa here from Flab Canada. I am so excited to show you a super fun way to make your windows bird safe. Today we'll be using washable tempera paint. The kids are really going to want to help you with this one. And it's a temporary method, which means that whenever we get tired of the design, we can just wash it off and paint something new. I'm using washable, non-toxic tempera paint that I got from the dollar store, and I chose white because I think it's really going to stand out to birds on the window. And even though the paint is technically washable, I also have some newspapers to put down on the deck here just in case I do accidentally spill some paint. It'll make cleanup much easier. Today I want to paint a floral pattern with some hummingbirds, which I've sketched out in advance. And here's a little cheat for you. If you have a design that you want to copy from, you can just draw it out in advance and stick it on the inside of the window for you to trace. And this is what I'm going to do with the hummingbirds in my pattern.